If you like to share your test cases across your different projects, select the test case settings underneath the project administration. Make sure that the activation status is on, and then choose how you want to share your test cases by enabling users to use test cases from other projects and also allowing this product to be shared with other projects. In this example, I'm only sharing it with my Jira plus qTest demo, and activation status is on. So I'll go ahead and save that. Now over in test design, you have multiple options to share individual test cases or by the folder, simply by selecting the checkbox under the shared option. Here I'm just selecting individual test case, but now I really what I want to do is share all 3 test cases from this project, so I'll select the option at the folder level. Once I've chosen the test cases I want to share, let's go ahead and go to a different project that we're sharing our test cases with. Please note, both projects must have test case sharing settings set to activation status of on. Now over in the test execution area, I'll go ahead and select a brand new test suite and then go to add my new test runs. And you'll notice that in the test case tab, we have an option for the different projects of all the test cases that are shared. Users will only be able to select the test cases that have been shared in each of the different folders. So if I open up a folder that doesn't have test cases in them, that means I have not shared those test cases with other projects. Go ahead and select the test cases from that shared project, and now you're ready to start testing.